Hi, lovely people. We are super happy and excited to present you this wonderful four-bedroom house at Lakeside Estate, Ashilibuche. The one on your right has been sold. It's selling under 200,000 USD, and so the price point is 200,000 USD. However, the owner is open to offers, and so this is the right time to get in touch with us for us to be able to arrange for you to buy this wonderful house. The compound is quite spacious. It has 6 cars. I believe all SUVs can even be parked there if there are 6. It's at Lakeside Estate, Ashilibutre, which is just about 17.6 kilometers to the Kotika International Airport. Lakeside Estate is already a very wonderful space. It's already developed with a whole lot of real estate developers having projects there. I think you can count over 50 real estate developers all doing projects there, and so the community is really a very upbeat community. Back to this particular property, you could see that you have your water reservoir here. There are actually 2 water reservoirs, one downstairs and one up, all featured with a pump, electronic pump, and so you could always have water easily come through for you. The developer, as an experienced real estate developer with over 10 units of houses at Lakeside Estate, has also made room for you to have some gardening over there. You can actually check your flowers, and then if you would want to have any cosmetic change with expanding or changing the tiles, it would be a good time to talk to your developer. They've made quite enough room for you to be able to have this house duly catered for your family need. Just by the wall, you could see they have enough light as well. They just be able to give you visibility at night, and also for security reasons you could actually sleep well. Let's kindly take a look inside the building and let's see what it's all about then. As you can all see, Lakeside is also just 10.9 kilometers away from the Accra Mall, and so ANC Mall is even more closer, and so going to town it's easier. You can actually go through the famous Medina packet, or you just use the Ghana route and get to East Legon easily as well. And so it's really a thriving and a bustling neighborhood. Just on the other stretch, you can easily get to Adenta if you're going to Dodua, Ebre and all that. Now this particular hall is really huge, and it's been made to cater for all moods. As you could see, the lighting are different, just to be able to give you the ambience to be able to mimic your mood if you'd want to. There's the guest washroom, quite spacious at that, for all your guests who would want to refresh themselves here. There's no need for them to feel shy about it, and there's no need for them to come to your private space, but they can equally be served there. And so this is the main hall. Your DSTV cabling and everything has been sorted, and so you just bring your television and have them installed. This is what others would use as either a library, a small storage, or a security room where you fix all your CCTV cameras there to monitor your environment. And so I should say the developer is super experienced. This is the dining area. It's an open kitchen plan, and so you have your dining area here just beside the kitchen on our left. The kitchen is fully loaded, and just beside the door behind it is the open kitchen that we spoke about, where we say the banquet and the food can actually happen there easily. All the ceiling is actually POP'd with a very good lighting as well, and you can actually be able to have up to 4-month payment terms to settle this if you would want to actually lock it and then own this property. So let's check the first room downstairs. All the rooms are fitted with ACs, I should say, and so basically beside your curtains and some few additions, your bed, I should say, you can easily knock in here without doing much work. Again, the developer has over 10 units sold already, and there are some projects ongoing. These are moving ready, and so we would want to let you know. So granny can actually knock here, grandpa or the young adult can knock in here at the room that is downstairs, because they would not be able to, or would not find it too convenient going upstairs. This is the washroom for the first room downstairs, and as you could see, there is your standing shower, the glass barrier for some convenience with regards to not getting the wet area coming to where the toilet and other stuff are. We would want to at this point get to upstairs and to see what you have over there. And so there's enough space just even beneath the stairs. You can actually have a flower stand. There are so many things that you can do with the spaces here, and one of my favorite spots, I should say, is the family area upstairs. If you could check, family areas usually cater for the young adult to have their own space to watch their own Champions League, or probably just do their own reading, entertain their own guests without intruding in the main hall if daddy mommy are entertaining some guests as well. And this obviously will give you that peace of mind. And now we go to the master bed. This master bed is bigger than the average master bedroom, I should say. It's really huge, with very good windows there for natural light as well as fresh air to come in, beside the AC that has been fitted for you. The master bed comes with a walk-in closet and a balcony, so the door on our right goes through to the balcony, and this is for him or for her, for she or for he. One will go for the madam obviously, and the other one will go for the gentleman of the house. There is room for you to be able to have your standing mirror and other stuff. Most of these things, with industry experience, are not done because everybody how they would want that to be set, especially for madam. And so madam, if you're watching this, when you get this, you can actually have your own touch or footprint on. And this is the standing washroom for the master bedroom. The washroom is so spacious, and so it can actually even accommodate a bathtub if you would want to be the type that you would want to cool off in a bathtub. There is enough space for you to be able to have that done. And so yes, we are very happy about this project. It's selling for $200,000, slightly negotiable because the developer has a lot of projects ongoing, and so he believes accommodating more wide budget range is better. These are the twin rooms upstairs beside the master bed. We check the one on the right, and also equally very spacious. I must say, in some of the houses that we've toured, these normal unit homes or rooms are bigger compared to what other houses offer. This can easily also pass for a master bed for those who are doing two bed, especially in the market space. And so should you buy this for a multi-family or for a single family, it's quite convenient. You can entertain your guests, host a lot of family people at a very comfortable and convenient manner. And so we would want to invite you to check out more of these solid properties on our website, which is floorspacerealty.com. Floorspace Realty, one word. And so when you come to our website, should you want more of these, and should you prefer to see any other property, any other location, we would love to hear from you. However, I believe this is a very good find, a very good property, and with up to 4-month payment terms, paying a particular percentage, I believe ideally about 50%, the owner wouldn't mind. It's a titled land, and so you have the chance of owning this property for 90 plus or about 90 years. It doesn't get any better, and so please do call us on our lines here.